Hello, good morning, students. Today's transcription number 105 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. This bill has been introduced in this House in pursuance of the recommendations of the Press Commission. Honorable members might remember that the Commission has devoted some part of its observations to this question of having a schedule which will regulate the price of newspapers according to the pages that they contain. Some of the points that the Commission have made are relevant here and might help honorable members in considering the bill more carefully and also examining the grounds on which this recommendation has been so emphatically made by the Press Commission. The Commission says in para 205 that in the present newspaper industry of this country, papers of long standing which have been able to build up a large and stable volume of advertisement revenue are in a very advantageous position as compared to others who have just entered the field. It is true that such economic advantages and handicaps exist in a number of industries, but their presence in the newspaper is not, in our opinion, conducive to the even and healthy development of the press. Newspapers serve as media for the free exchange of information and of ideas. The proper functioning of democracy requires that every individual should have equal opportunity insofar as this can be achieved to put forward his opinion. I have just given a few extracts from the Commission's report in order to explain the underlying idea of the Commission. The main aim of the Commission's recommendation is to see that a fair price is guaranteed to independent small papers and thus enable them to resist competition from bigger and richer papers. It is also to protect such papers against unfair price competition such as exists in other industrial commodities like cornering, price cutting, etc. It is the Commission's intention that though such practices might be tolerated within a certain limit in other industries, it should not be so in the press industry where we have the medium of expression of public opinion and where cornering by a person or a group of persons of this medium would mean the passing of this medium into the hands of a few persons and their monopolizing the medium of public opinion and throttling the expression of opinion by others who would like to place their views before the public. This, in their opinion, would be practically amounting to a denial of the freedom of expression, and it is in that light that they have made this recommendation. The Commission have said that they have examined many schemes as to how it would be possible to ensure the largest amount of freedom of expression, and they felt that this was probably one of the most effective ways by which we can ensure freedom of expression. I would like here to mention that when the Commission's report came out, the government had discussions regarding those recommendations, and the recommendation regarding price page schedules was also one of those important recommendations which were discussed with a number of organizations which were concerned with the newspaper industry.